Caren also operates within the car trade industry, embodying resilience and ambition. Starting off as a small-scale home-based seller in 2014, Karen's passion for fashion and eye for style attracted attention, inspiring her to turn Elabella into a full-time business in 2016. Today, Elabella is located at number 21 Aga Road in Avondale, Harare. It represents beauty, light, empowerment, and reflects in itself, as the name says, Ella meaning she and Bella beautiful in French. She's also a single mom of two. Caren uses her journey to inspire young women and single mothers, advocating for self-sufficiency, faith, consistency, and pursuing one dream. Elabella's has since grown as an effective community across Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp, where women connect and share and grow together. Welcome to Star FM, Caren. Good to have you.
Thank you, Zanani. Good morning.
Good morning. You look so lovely.
Oh, thank you.
We're currently broadcasting live on our Facebook page, so make sure you go and see for yourself. The person I'm telling you about looks just the way. Beautiful, prim, and proper, and put together. So you know what? I really want to tell the listener how we met. So on Tuesday, I had the after drive, right? And I was wearing a dress. And then I was like, you know what, I need something to wear, So where it's located, it's so strategic because when you are, coming to eat, you can also dress up. When you're coming to cut your hair, you can also dress up. When you're coming to wash your car, you can also dress up. There's a thrift store upstairs. Let me get up there. Then I met this vibrant lady, and I was like, wow, she's so nice. So what made me realize Kuti she's a shiro is because I picked the ugliest outfit. I picked just random clothes. I was just like, you know what, I need a t-shirt, I need pants. However, the pieces were great, but it was not yet so giving, right? Yes. And then I was in the room. She can't say, so I was like, you know what, I actually want to see if this lady knows her business. If she says I look good, I'm leaving these clothes. I was like, yeah, at least she knows. I was like, no, don't worry. I'm not buying to look prim and proper and special. I just need a jersey and warm pants to go to studio. I was like, you know what? She actually sells honesty. She doesn't sell clothes. She sells honesty. She sells style. She sells class. So she was like, no, if you're trying to look good and warm, no, then you look just fine. Yeah. So I like that. I was like, you know what? Little did I know, Kuti Caren is a regular member here at Star FM. Not only the Star FM 24/7.
Yes.
So we're so honored to have you here. I was really, really, really happy to be one of your shoppers. You treated me well. So I was like, hi man.
Thank you so much, Zanani.
I need to know, is this a profitable business? Do you wash it before or after? So I was like, you know what? So let's just talk about, Caren before we talk about everything else. Tell us who she is. Is she a mom? Is she married? How did she grow up? Let's just start there.
Okay. Zanani, this is not just an opportunity. It's actually a privilege to be in Star FM. And thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so excited. You know what, Zanani? Just like what you're saying when I served you, I'm an honest person.
Yeah.
It's not all about money when it comes to my shop. It's about you presenting me out there when we are dressing.
Yeah.
So I make sure I style you and dress you in a proper way. But people ask you, where did you get that? I think by the time you came back, you saw I was picking stuffs and I was putting outside
exactly.
this will go with you, Zanani. This will not go with you, Zanani.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm an honest person when it comes to that. Because when it comes to me, I dress good every time. And I choose premium quality clothes when it comes to thrifting. It's not just thrifting. It's not just better.
Yeah.
Yes. So, when it comes to me, my name is Caren Chimonyo. I'm 29 years old, as you said. Actually ventured in so many businesses.
Yes, do tell.
I'm into thrift clothing. Yes. I'm into kitchenware as well. Yes, I have a kitchen store. I think when you got into my shop, you saw a corner that have kitchenware. Benetries, Russell Hobbs, and all stuffs. I also ventured into cars. I resell cars. Even if you want my car right now, I can sell it and I can order an in-drive and go.
Yeah, definitely a businesswoman.
Yes, and professional, I'm a makeup artist. That's what I really wanted to do. So from the start, how I ventured into this thrifting business, that was 2014. I finished school in 2012. Then, you know, when you finish writing your O-level, you're sitting at home. I took $30 and $50. That's how I started.
Yeah.
I went in town.
$30?
Yes.
Ah, come on,
Yes.
Caren.
Do 5 divided by 30? Yes.
You took $30?
Yes. I bought clothes for $5. I started selling them for $10. Then I got my profit. I didn't eat them. I didn't use the money. I was staying with my parents. So that's when I started buying clothes. And eventually people really liked my style. I was a model from 2013 to 2015. I modeled for Cindy Miawi fashion show when she was doing clothes. And you know the way I used to dress, people would call each other. I grew up in Kwazana. They would call each other, come and see what she's wearing today. You know. So other women started inspiring me. Where are you getting your clothes? I said, okay, this is a business opportunity. Let me take it. Then I started selling clothes. I did my course of ICT. I found a job in town as Power Solutions where I was doing photocopying and what. But I was getting my clothes and selling them, doing that as well. So going by, selling, buying and selling, and my business is going. I wasn't taking it too serious. But you know, as a girl, you need money, you need what. True. But you know, I want to thank my parents because it just didn't start there. When I was young, my dad used to work as Zenith, where there were chickens. He would come with chickens and pack them, and I would sell for $1. I was kind of the network was kind of with my chickens. I would do door to door, knocking and say, "I have my chickens." That's how I started selling and becoming confident as a child, growing up. Until my father, I'll give you 10 cents per dollar. And I don't remember. I think I was in Form 2, Form 1 when my mom started buying a towel and soap for me. Yes.
And then you just became independent from there. I
became independent doing my stuff until I finished school. When I finished school, it wasn't even difficult for me to earn a living and start surviving by myself. Yeah. Yes. So that's how I grew up. Going into 2016, I got married. And then when I got married, I didn't stop. I started going to work. I used to work at Black Opals. Yes. So I was beauty assistant in Edgar's. Yes. That's when I started falling in love with makeup. You know, putting makeup and people like, you look good, you look good.
Exactly.
Look good.
I mean, the outfit is already looking good. Makeup off with complete package.
I didn't put much, but yes. And you know, I was one of the best sellers when it comes to cosmetics. Yeah. Yes. Then from there, I changed my job. I started working in Borodale. Yeah, this is where the fire started.
Yes.
Yes, a same level village. So I could see people coming in, and I was like, okay. And people asking me, you're looking good. And I started saying, I sell thrift. I say, you sell thrift? I say, no, I do home selling, open market on Sundays at home. It's 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. And people were like, where? I used to say in Westgate. And I say Westgate. You know, people would queue up.
You lie.
Parking cars.
And
my landlord was you. And you know, I love her so much and I thank her, my daughter. She gave me the opportunity to do so. She wasn't even bothered. So, no, let your people come and buy. Yeah. And if I tell you, I would make up maybe $400 on a Sunday.
On a Sunday, $400.
On a Sunday.
So it's $400, right? But how much would you have bought your stock from?
If I tell you, maybe 120.
You lie.
I'm telling you.
Imika.
Yes, it's a profitable business if you know how. You know about thrifting. It's not about just thrifting pillar clothing. It's about choosing
an outfit.
You can see the dress I'm wearing. It's quality, but it's a thrift. Exactly. It's about what you choose and how you choose your stuff. So I started selling from there. And when I was at work in Borodale, I could get customers coming in asking about my clothes. I would give them my number and exchange numbers. Then I started boot selling. Yeah. I'm coming to work. I'll tell them I'm starting work at 9. Let's meet at 8.
Yeah.
Buy this place, you buy. After work, I finish at 5. I'll meet them 5:30. I sell my clothes. And I go, I used to leave my bag of clothes. I didn't have a car. I had a huge bag. By then, after my strips per shoulder. I think a lot of people buy a village, they'll tell you. I'll put it in a bathroom. There are ladies already. I say, I'll send my customers, they'll be buying. And after that, those ladies are ready to choose for helping me out. And I started building customers. I started having customers and customers.
A proper clientele,
yes, proper clientele. Until I started saying, okay, I'm here at work, but this is paying me more. Yes, I should, I should invest more in this business.
Is that how Elabella started back in 2014? Inspiring indeed. So tell us more about your love of fashion. Has it always been there, or because it's not a secret. I won't even lie. I think from when I was like 12 years old, I was influenced na mine so she would just say, let's go and buy cheap clothes. They're going to be cheap. And this was in South Africa. R1, R2, R3, 2 cents. So it's something that I've been doing for over a decade, right? So when did your love of fashion just start?
This started when I was a girl, and growing up, you're in the ghetto. I just used to love fashion. Even my daughter right now, I can see. Colors.
Yeah.
And what to wear. And she's only 5 years old.
Oh, lovely, lovely, yes. Lovely.
So this started when I was young, and I saw the potential in me. No, actually, whenever I'm dressed, everyone asks me, how do you know what I need to say?
Exactly.
And that's where my love started to grow, and I invested into fashion. So yeah, it's a thing inspired by other women commenting you, loving your style, asking you what to do. Some people call me when they don't have anything to wear and ask me, is this proper to wear this pants and this shirt? And I'm going for a seminar. I have a girl who came yesterday. She was saying they are going to have a Christmas party. She wants, I gave her something else proper. Yeah. She dropped $120.
You lie?
Yes.
Wow. Yes. Wow. You know what? This business, let me open one eye. So I want to know, besides, you having to carry your big bag and your shoulder hurting, what other challenges did you face during you starting your business, selling from home, in the market, selling at work? Because, it's not a secret, and you're like, wow, there's no and then things go south. Did you have any challenges with, customers wanting to return, customers wanting to exchange, or just generally, what did you face when you were coming up?
Yes, and even now it's happening. Clients, she might find out it doesn't fit her well, or she doesn't like it when she gets home. I'll just tell her, return it and come and exchange.
Yeah, lovely.
That's not a problem, as long as it's not ripped or something, anything damages. Bring it back. I will take it. And another challenge I've been facing personally, having kids and you going to work and having thrift. Yeah. You're selling. Yeah. And Zanani, if I tell you when I used to go to work, sometimes I could have appointments, makeup appointments for weddings in the morning. I'll take my taxi at 3, go and do makeup, maybe finish at 5, 6. Yay. Yes. I go to work. I work. I finish mostly on Saturday. I used to finish at 3. From 3, I go home, steam the clothes. Sunday, they are ready for selling.
Yay.
Yes.
It's a cycle.
How I managed kutoenda kunotora stock. And it naitoenda makuseni kunotora stock hiyo. You find kuti 5 basa raitanga 9. So 5 idzodzo dzandaigona kusvika kumba ndichibva kumakeup. I would go kumbari. Trust okay. There was a taxi driver one day he says zvangu achitosvitsa kumba ini ndichitopfuurira kuenda kutown
kubasa. So hey, no, you know what, you're inspiring, because me, I can barely do Star FM and anything else, let alone 3 things: makeup, job, and thrift. No, definitely hard work. So now, after all this hard work, I want to know, how do you then balance, Elabella, as well as, your personal life and motherhood at the same time?
Okay, my kids are my first priority.
Mm-hmm.
I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Everything that I do it's for them.
Mm-hmm.
You don't find me doing some funny stuff, or because I always consider, I go to work, I start work at 8:30, we open at 8:30, we finish at 5:30. Girls at my shop. After 5:30, I drive home to do homework with my kids. No one helps my kids with homework. It's me who does that. In the morning, I do school run. It's quite hard as a single mom, but I'm now used to it.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm now used to it, and I make sure I balance my business, my clientele, my kids. Yes, and yeah.
You know what? I love that. Suppose there's a single mother out there listening, trying to make ends meet as well for their kids, trying to run a business. What words of encouragement or what message do you have, for those that are trying as well?
To single mothers, the world is there to shame us. They don't know our stories. You don't know my story.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, but one thing I can do is keep going. And never ever hesitate. Have the confidence to start something. As much as little that you have, start something. Do something. Look at your kids. Get inspired. Whenever I look at them, Zanani, I tell myself, I'll do it. And I have to.
Yeah. Because
this is their life.
Yeah.
I don't want them to depend on anyone else. They had a parent. Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, single mothers, let's learn to work hard. This world has changed into independent women. Working hard and looking after ourselves is things that we need to do. Yes.
So let's talk about your support system, because you definitely need to have, a backbone of people carrying you as well. I want to know, besides your mom, and your dad, your parents, which other people have supported you in your journey thus far?
I have siblings. I have friends. I don't really do friends. I'm a bit busy person. I have a friend, a partner, very supportive.
Lovely.
In everything that I do, and I'm very thankful. Yes.
I know you are listening where you are. We very much appreciate you, because this lady is glowing here. So, I just want to know, how do you use your platform, right, and your brand to uplift other women?
Okay, my brand actually builds confidence in women. It's not always the time you have to look good with expensive stuff. We give you the affordability of things and looking good, Zanani. A $5 dress, you can look great.
You can look expensive in a $5 dress.
I'm wearing a $10 dress.
You look like you're wearing a $200 dress.
Yes.
However, I'm not one of saying you guys to love by Facebook.
Yes.
Matter of fact, we need to post these pictures,
Yes.
just to show Kuti. This started as $35 US. Now it's a full-blown company. And you know what I like most about your shop is it's got such good marketing. Over wasangana nema poto, nema crockery. You walk to this pan looks good. Walk to Daiso. Next thing you are into makeup, you're like, yo, now I want foundation.
Yes.
I just love it there. So have you ever thought of, mentoring or supporting younger women who also, want to thrift? Because, I wanna, as kind of a mabiro, they want the clothes, they like the clothes, but or they themselves can't actually make the profit, from those clothes.
I think I've got a lot of girls and young women who've been asking how to do it. It's not an easy thing to do.
Yeah.
Trust me. It needs a patience.
Yes.
Consistency. And a very hard-working person.
Yeah.
And you have to think fast. So when it comes to young women asking me how to do it, some of them, they don't know where to get the stuff. I know I used to go to Mozambique. I went there. I know where there's these things coming from.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So they'll ask you, how do I do it? How do I start a business? I told them, do you know you can start with $20? And say, no way, you are lying.
Yeah.
I'm telling them, go and buy your dresses and start reselling them. And know your clientele.
Exactly.
Me, I sell premium clothing. I don't target, when my things are not expensive for that, I think you've seen.
Yes.
Yeah, we start as little as
$2.
$2.
Yes.
There's a sale of $2, $5. We don't go above $20.
Yeah.
Right? So you going and getting clothes and just going and say, Zanani, I have a nice dress. This one is going for $10. You get that money, you go back, you get 2 dresses. You come back, you sell them, you get 4 dresses. That's not...
It's not rocket science. Yeah, you're right. However, you know that I'm taste car, I'm fashion sense.
And also it needs someone who is very disciplined. Be disciplined when it comes to money. How I save money, kuti ndakukwanisa kufonerwa nema suppliers calling me and say we have stock. Come and take whatever you want.
Exactly. You have first preference.
Do you know gonna total stock? They just say take it. How you save? You save. How did I? Zanani, my first car, it was a Honda 50, a blue one, RST. I bought it in
Nemabero.
Yes.
Mario Bero. Yes.
I'm telling you.
Me, I'm selling my clothes now.
How I saved. Ndaikanda mari mugaba. Ndichiti ndikatengesa. Today ndatengesa 300. My profit is 100%.
Yeah.
Yes, ndaikamura half. You went to cross stock because I was feeling pain in the big bag.
Yeah.
So I saw myself, but I need a car, a small car, man.
Exactly.
So I started putting Mari Mgaba. I still remember that year, New Year, I opened Gabero, I think it was 3 January. I had my big sister's son, Brandon.
From my $2 $2, my $10, my $5.
Yes.
Amounted to 7K from
Yes,
there.
from there. Then I started doing boot selling from there. And when I was at work, now the pressure was going up, and my boss was now, bosses are like,
yes, when they see you rising and shining.
From the, let me tell you, I saw that car, and someone introduced me into cars, and say, sell that car and buy another car. I bought another car. Then I started using again back to public transport.
Yeah.
And when I saw that car, I got profit. I started buying and selling cars.
Just like that.
Yeah.
No. You're the businesswoman in you, the entrepreneur in you.
If a deal comes in front of me, I'll take it.
There and there.
As long as it's not crime. Yes.
I love it.
I want to say to girls, run it. Run it. As little as profit as you get, there's no way you're going to marry someone.
Sure.
I will not get married.
Kana kutopiwa.
And I'm very proud of myself. Whatever I want, I can buy.
Exactly.
Myself.
With your own money. You know what? We are inspired, Joe. We are inspired because from $30 to $7,000 to buying a car, to boot selling, to actually then, having your own actual shop.
Yes.
I wish we had more time with you, but we have just about 3 minutes. Let's just ask this last question. What's the biggest lesson you've learned, or that entrepreneurship has taught you?
I've learned a lot. Let's normalize meeting with other women. Recently, there was an organization that was launched last month called Thor by Nicoletta Colera. I attended. I learned a lot. There's sisterhood. I attend. There's a lot you need to learn about business. Yourself, taking care of yourself, managing your lifestyle, managing your family as a single mom, managing your business and your customers. These people have to feel free telling you, even to an extent that they tell me their personal lives.
Yes, of course, yeah.
They discuss with me. It has to be like that when it comes to business. It has to be. You have to be consistent. Me, my popular product is dress. If you corner me for dresses, if you want a dress, you come to Elabella thrift closet. You'll find a dress. Yes.
Lovely. Okay, to complete all my contact details as well as again for you to give us the location. It's also not my address at you. I know
Yes, I know people will start saying, "Hey, people, my inspiration talkers. What do they call?
My motivational speakers.
No. Yes, if you want, I can teach you." Then you see if it's not possible.
Right.
Yes. So you can contact me on 0775 114 744. And when you send a message on WhatsApp, there's a link that's going to come. I have 2 groups on WhatsApp because the other one was full. You can join the group where you see our daily products. And you can go on Instagram. It's Elabella Thrift. You'll find us there on Instagram. On TikTok also, we are there. And also on Facebook.
Thank you so much, Karen. Asante sana. You are truly an inspiration. And this is also where I get in numbers to make sure we look our best. So we're slowly but surely coming towards the end of the show. We have 1 more hour. The man of the moment is already in studio. So make sure you're on standby because exactly at 12:30 we've got DJ Tanaman coming through with the Galaxy Radio Mix. I do hope you did enjoy our Shiros. Star FM sounding good all the time. It's 11 o'clock and it's time for